Hey guys, welcome to my channel Coding Tricks, and in this session we will learn about the edit form controls in PowerApps Canvas application. And before this session, in our previous session we had learned about the custom forms in the PowerApps Canvas application. And in the previous session, we had created one custom forms, and in this session, we will see how we can use the edit form controls in our Canvas application. So let's start. So for creating the edit form control, we will add new screen. So by selecting the screen option, from here we can select the blank screen, and after that, and before starting this session, I would say I have already added the data source, which is a SharePoint list, which name is employee reg. So I will use that SharePoint list in my edit form control. So for adding the form, what we need to do, we need to click on the insert button, and here we will select the edit form option. When we will select the edit form option, one form would be created here in the screen, as you can see. And in the data source option here, you need to select the list name. So I will select the list name employee reg. So here you can see it will take a few minutes, few seconds, I would say. Here you can see the edit form has been created. So if you want to create this form as a new, so we need to select the default mode is new. So default mode, by using the default mode, we can make it editable form, we can make it a new form, and also we can make it as a form only. Okay, so like if you want to edit the records, if you want to edit the record, so we need to select the edit option, edit default mode. And if you want to create a new form for adding the record, then we will select the new default mode as a new. Okay, so here you can see our custom form has been created, and now we will do few customizations in this form. So we need to, I'm increasing it height and width. Okay, yeah. So what you can do, you can set this form layout. So here you can see the layout option is available. So by selecting the layout, if you want to make it a horizontal, current mode is vertical, and if you want to make it from vertical to horizontal, so you need to select the horizontal option. When you will select the horizontal, so you can see the form layout will get changed. If you want to make it from horizontal to vertical, then you need to select the vertical option. And also you can set the columns as well. So from here, so right now the default column is 3. So like if I want to make it from 3 to 1, so I need to 1. So when I will select the 1, so here you can see the column, the columns has been changed from 3 to 1. Also, we can change the font style, font color as well of the forms. So right now I will do simple customizations. If you want to make the change easily, you can change from here. And in this form here you can see one option is also available, which is a attachment. So if you want to add any type of a document with the form, with the data, so you can use it. Otherwise you can hide this control from the form as well. So here you can see one option is also available, which is a visible option. So from here you can hide. Yeah, so right now you can see I have hide this control from the form. So now you can see you can see there are only 4 columns are available, which is a title. So I'm going to change the title name from I'm going to replace the title name from name. Okay, select the title label. From here, name. Yep, so our label name has been changed. You can see name, email, designation, and salary. If you want to do more customizations, you can add a border of the form as well. So to adding the border from here, you can add the border. Like I want to make it from 0 to 1. You need to select 1 and select the color black. Okay, so here you can see the border has been added for this form. To adding the data in the SharePoint list, you need to add the button control as well. So I will add one button. Yeah, button. Change the button name from button to submit. And now what you need to do for adding the record in the SharePoint list, you need to write the function, and the function is submit form, and then you need to select the form name, form 2, and after, yeah, yeah. So here, uh, yep. So I have added I have write the function submit form, and inside the submit form, I have passed the form name, which is a form 2 as a parameter. So when I will click on the submit button, our record will get automatically will get added in the SharePoint list. So, like if you want to see the record, then what you need to do, you need to add the name. Name is Sanjay, Sanjay at abc.com. Sorry, manager, salary, 1 lakh. Click on the submit button. Yep. So after clicking the submit button, here in the SharePoint list, here you can see the Sanjay record has been created in the SharePoint list. Okay, so as you can see, we need to make it new, format it to new. Yeah, okay. So our record has been created in the SharePoint list, which you can see in the SharePoint list here. The name is Sanjay, email is Sanjay at ABC, designation manager, salary is 1 lakh. Okay. So if you and now if you want to add a reset button, then what you need to do, you need to add one more button. Yeah, here you need to add one more button, and in this button, in the onSelect pro and inside the onSelect property, you need to write the function which is reset form and provide the form name form 2. Now I'm typing, yeah. So now I want to reset these values from the text box. So 1 second, let me change the button name. Reset, make the color is red. Yep. Yeah. So whenever I will click on this reset button, then this form will get automatically reset. So let's try. Yep. Yeah, so here you can see I have clicked on this reset button and our form will get automatically reset. Okay, so in this session we had learned about the edit from property edit from not property edit from controls in the Power Apps Canvas application. And in the next session we will learn about the gallery control, edit functionality, delete functionality in the Power Apps Canvas applications. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you keen to learn more about Power Apps technology, so do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get never so you will get notification whenever I upload a new video for Power Apps. So thanks again and see you in the next session. Bye bye.